What's up, fam? How's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another amazing video. Now, you know, you guys, we got so many videos on chicken on the YouTube streets, right? But if you're ready for a different twist on some chicken, we're going to make us some spicy, using Slap Your Mama chicken wings. But we're going to put a little mustard to it, right? So, does it make it a mustard chicken wing? Anyway, go get a snack and come on back. So, fam, what we have right here is a little flour, just a little, because we're going to make like a paste for this chicken. But that's not going to complete it. Now, we're not going to put any seasoning on the chicken because this paste is going to carry the chicken, right? So, we're going to start off with a little paprika, right? And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put us some mustard into this paste, right? We're going to make us some mustard. Now, make sure your chicken wings, I like to make sure my chicken wings are slightly with a little frozen, you could say. Or you could just put it in, you could put it in the refrigerator and let it get its chill. You know, before the paste or after the paste. You know, it doesn't really matter. Okay? It really doesn't matter. And we're going to put up some saffron in here, right? And we're just going to do it like that. You know, because that's going to be enough season to season all of this chicken, right? And we're going to go ahead and we're going to... You guys saw the egg, right? And we're just going to go and make this paste right on up. We're going to make this paste right on up, just like that. I got a little water on the side. You could use milk, buttermilk, whatever you like. You guys, did you see that spill? I tell you, if I don't spill it, it ain't gonna happen. But you know what? I would like to shout out a special person who has been following me for quite some time, and her name is, and she has a YouTube channel, and she makes amazing food over there as well. And her name is the Lisa D Delights Show. Well, I did to add a show, but you know, you guys, I will leave her in the description if I fail to and she make the comment. I will definitely pin her comment, and her channel is called the Lisa D. Let me get it right. The Lisa D Delights, you guys. And as you see that paste right there. Now that might be a little spicy. Now I could add cayenne, but I'm not gonna do that. This is just a twist on the wings, because we also gonna bread the wings, right? Because we're looking for crispiness. We're looking for crispiness. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this paste right on to all of this chicken, just like that. Get right on in there with your fingers. Rub it on ends, you guys. Oh my goodness. The aroma of it actually smells really good, you know. And I know a lot of people have their ways of making chicken. But this is the way your girl wanted to make it today. Because today is game day, right? And I don't know. I might wind up watching the game. Let me take this glove off, you guys, and we're going to go over to the next step. So, guys, we have some plain flour. Now, it's your choice if you would like to add a little more seasoning in it. That's your choice. You guys, if you hear some noise, that's my lawn service man, and I definitely will leave a link in the description. For most of you that live in the metro area, Detroit area, you can always call on him for your lawn, your winter service, and everything. So I definitely will leave him in the description, you guys. So I just want to go ahead and get into this video, right? Because we're going to make us some delicious fried crunchy chicken, you know? Well, we're going to add the spice and the mustard too, right? So we're going to dip it in here just like that. And we don't want to overcrowd the pan. See, some people make the mistake of overcrowding the pan because they want to cook quick. And you know, cooking with love, you cannot cook quick. You got to cook with that love, right? So, yeah, your girl is trying to show you something different. Always twist up your flavor on your food and then call the kids, you know, call them babies, you know. And I always love to cook and give you guys some good tips. So I think we can fit 4 in here. So we're just going to do 4 of them and move it right on over, because I imagine that this will be so good. It will be so good, right? And we're just going to let it do its thing. So fam, let's check out these delicious chicken wings, you guys. Let's see how they're doing. Oh my goodness. You guys, check them out. Look at the crunchiness. Guys, let me bring it a little closer. You can see the flakiness. Look at that chicken wing, you guys. Oh my goodness. These look like Turkish wings. Ha! You hear me? They look like a Turkish wing, you guys. But let's let them get a little darker. So fam, I decided I'm going to make me some spice sauce with it. And we're going to make us some honey mustard spicy sauce. Okay? Now, the first thing I'm going to use is, I'm going to use some grapefruit. Oh Lord, I can't get it right. Dijon mustard. Let's just go with the Dijon mustard. And it's made with white wine, right? So we're going to put us a spoonful or 2. Because we want to make a sauce, right? Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some honey in here. We're going to use us some honey. And we're just going to pour it in here. Because I need a sauce that's going to give it a kick, right? To these delicious wings. We're going to add a little more mustard if needed. Because, you know, hey, this is game day. And we're just going to add just a little bit. Now it's on you, whatever measurement you want to use. Just be careful and eyeball it, right? And we're just going to whip this on up until like a paste, right? Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. Check this out. You know, that's what I love. I love staying in the kitchen. So yeah, you always catch me in my kitchen, creating something, right? And I'm just going to give this a quick mix because I know it's got to be a little spicy, but we're going to try it. Oh my goodness, you guys, I kid you not. Oh my goodness. Oh, that heat come right in there, hit you right there in the back of the throat. You guys, you don't have to be a chef out here in a restaurant. You could be a chef right in your kitchen. Oh my goodness. You gotta do another. Oh yeah. Perfect sauce, you guys. Try it out yourself. You know, I'm just gonna put this foam in here because I want to stir and keep that off the foam. I don't waste not, want not over here. But we're going to keep you upward. Because we're going to get this little mustard off of here. Oh, you guys, if you feel me for the first time, don't just straight up subscribe to the channel. And yeah, share your friends and family. I make easy recipes that you can enjoy at home. You guys, I'm going to give you guys a close-up on this sauce. Look at this. So yeah, we got us some special sauce going on, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys, that looks so delicious. So guys, take a look at this chicken, you guys. Oh my heavens. Let me give you a close-up. You have it. There is your close-up, you guys. Because everything is still hot, right? Uh-oh. Don't want to burn myself. But check it out. So if you like delicious different recipes on your chicken, try this recipe. Share it with friends and family. And tell them Miss T or Miss Jonesy showed you this recipe. Simple ingredients in your home. And I know everyone has the best wings. But I didn't bring you something that I don't eat. Okay? And so as you guys can see, we have some good delicious sauce right here. Right here. And we're going to go here and we're going to try it. So we're going to go on and get into this sauce that I have created. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you thumbs it straight up and you subscribe to the channel and help get your girl to 10,000. Because like I say, if you got skills and goals in the cooking area, come on and bring your cooking video. Okay? But look at the crispiness on this chicken, you guys. Now this is some delicious looking chicken, you guys. And so we're just going to go on in and we're going to go for this dip. Now I really want you guys to hear the crunch. So I'm going to bite it first. Mmm. So let's go into, look at the flakiness. We're going to go into this sauce though. Oh, that tastes just like restaurant style. You taste the honey, all the spices. Get into that sauce. You guys. I got to call all the babies. Gotta call them, okay? And tell them I got some tasty chicken over here. You guys, thumb this video up, subscribe to the channel, share this video with everyone, and leave a comment so we can correspond on this delicious recipe right here, you guys. Straight in the kitchen with Miss Jonesy. You guys, I just took the chicken up a whole notch. You see it. And that sauce, this sauce is fire. Make you just want to eat the gristle and everything. Y'all, I got to go. I got to go. Because I got this delicious food right here. And I got to eat it. So until then, to the next video, I love each and every one of you guys. And don't forget, go check out the Lisa D Delights video. I definitely will pin her comment if she comment on this video. She's always on time, so yeah, tell her Miss T sent you. Miss Jonesy sent you. She'll know who it is. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the time in my kitchen with me. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.